internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Simply Gilded unboxing video and I already feel like I'm really gonna love this box low-key because the colors, it's silver foiling with blue and pastel. I'm not sure how I couldn't love this. I'm probably jumping the gun, but I'm making that call now. So this is iridescent ink. I think this is the January box. I'm like a month or two behind everything. Because I live in Australia, that's just how it is. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, January 2021. Oh, I'm so excited. So I will do the washi tape at the end. Let's just check this out. What is this? Like a folder? Oh no, it's a pencil case. Well, check out the... I don't even, like, I'm like a loss for words right now. I guess I would call it iridescent. Check that out. That is so cool. It looks really, really shiny on camera because in person it is ultra shiny. I feel like I'm not usually a fan of very like strong glitters and brightness and anything that I would consider like gaudy, but I really like this. Like, really, really like this. Very eye-catching. Okay, so then we have a sticky note. I call them post-it notes, but I feel like post-it notes is probably it's like the actual commercial name for it. Whereas the more generic term is sticky notes, kind of like Coke when it's actually cola. So love these heart sticky notes. Not solid paper, it's kind of like vellum. Yeah, it literally says vellum here. And then, oh, look at these. Oh, that's so cute. They're like little sticky tabs of different colors. Sorry if I'm coming off obnoxious. Sometimes I feel like it can be like that and I don't mean to. I'm just genuinely really excited. These remind me of the ones you can get from Muji, except Muji is made out of paper. These are vellum as well. Though you can still, typically you can still write on these. Actually, let's just give it a shot. I'm going to take my gel pen and try writing. Okay, not really. Yeah, you can kind of see if I use gel, it smudges. So let me just quickly try ballpoint. Let me just try ballpoint. I have a feeling, okay, no, ballpoint doesn't work either. You need to use the permanent markers. The Sakura Micron is a permanent version. That's the pen that I use when I write on any like vellum material. So just keeping that in mind. Ooh, check out this ruler. And you know what I really like about this? Like, instantly looking at it, it has inches and centimeters on it because in Australia we go by the metric system, so we use centimeters, but because so many planner goodies and such come from America, that they use inches and feet, whereas in Australia we use like centimeters and meters. So finding a ruler that has both, because I often flip between the two, can be difficult. I have one, it's not as pretty as this one, so I feel like this is going to replace it. And you can see it's so reflective, you can see my camera. I'm blown away by this box so far. Let's open the notepad. Just here. And it's dot grid notepad. And then we've got the stickers. This week I'm using, I think last month's Simply Gilded sticker kit to plan a week in my Whistle and Birch, and I really want to use this one as well because these colors are amazing. I struggle, to be honest, planning my Whistle and Birch with these stickers because I feel like it's not necessarily made for Whistle and Birch, so there's always lots of gaps and everything, plus I have to use the permanent marker instead of my normal gel pen, but this color theme would totally make it worthwhile. So these are going to work as great dividers in traveler notebooks. And then let's just quickly check out the sticker sheets. They've so far been very consistent month on month, and they work really well, I assume, in like an Erin Condren planner or any sort of vertical planning, but in order to write on them you will need your permanent marker because gel pens don't seem to work on this, neither do pencils or ballpoints. So I feel like that's sometimes the only downside to it. I love these stickers, they look so nice, but I really don't like that I can't use my favorite pens. This color theme is so beautiful, like so beautiful. Got your icons, numbers, and then some more half boxes. Okay, I'm excited for the washi tape, to be honest, because that's the stuff I'm going to be using this month in a lot of my planning. And the other colors for December, they were nice and I did use them, but they didn't really click with me. They're not really my kind of colors, whereas these are totally my kind of colors. This one especially is so nice. So before I get into that, let's not get too carried away. We have the Simply Gilded pen. You know what? You would think that the Simply Gilded pen would work on vellum. Am I making an assumption here? I mean, that works really well. Okay, not so much on this one. Well, kind of, but it, oh, sorry, it's like really smudgy. Okay, you can tell it smudges pretty fast. Okay, not sure. I think I still prefer my permanent marker. I'm not a big fan of ink that takes a long time to dry. And then we have a Sakura jelly roll. Let me try this one out quickly whilst we're here. I love this little shooting star, and I think this is like a blue, metallic blue. It's probably very similar. Let me get the focus right. All right, I'm just gonna color in a chunk so you can kind of see what the ink color is like. Can you see? I have to take that off. Can you see the micro shimmers in there? It's kind of like my nails. My nails have a lot of micro shimmers in them at the moment, and that's really pretty. Okay, and this is in, I think it's like 0.8, 0.7, something like that. That's what the Sakura jelly rolls usually are. All right, so now let me go grab the washi tapes. So here's the washi tape close up. I love these colors. Like, I'm sorry to be so repetitive, but I really love these colors. So we've got this, it's almost like rose gold iridescent foiling for these bows. This is this one here, this kind of silver rainbow one is the one with the perforated edges. So each strip is 3.8 centimeters. Actually, I can check that out in inches now that I've got that ruler. 3.8 centimeters. So I think it's like 1.5 inches. I'm not quite sure. And then you've got the quintessential bows. This one is really interesting. It's got like, it reminds me of like Napoleon ice cream because it's got like 3 distinct layers. And then this one is my favorite by far. This one is so beautiful. This one is so beautiful. I can imagine using it heaps this month. So yeah, you can be sure you'll be seeing it a lot in some of my Instagram spreads. So yeah, that is everything that came in Simply Gilded for January. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.